face, then a little whisper cut through the space. Hard on the floor of the club.
Did you know that this video clip was generated entirely using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic video just like this, with very little effort, almost no brain work, and all using one single website. Let's get started. The tool we'll be using today is called Higgsfield AI. It's basically a one-stop shop for both image and video generation. You can generate images using some of the best models available, and you can also turn those images into video. My favorite feature, though, is the Cinema Studio, and that's exactly what we'll be using today. This tool is incredibly exciting because it allows you to create professional-grade cinematic content powered by real camera and lens simulations. You generate an image, then bring it to life as a video. So, I already have an image prompt ready that I generated with ChatGPT. I'll click on Image up here, and if your prompt disappears like mine did, just paste it back in again. Here's the prompt I'm using. A beautiful, ethereal woman. Light-skinned, dark flowing hair, eyes closed with a calm expression, suspended in a cosmic energy field. Dark space background with deep blues and purples. Cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed, realistic, calm, and still with minimal motion. Now here's a little trick. You can essentially double your image prompt as your video prompt. I'll show you how that works. For my settings, I'm keeping the aspect ratio at 16.9, since this is for YouTube. I'm selecting 4K resolution for the highest quality, and I'll generate 2 images so I can choose the one I like best. Once I hit generate, it'll take just a few moments. Okay, here are the 2 images. I like this one better, so I'll select it. Then I'll click Animate, choose Start Frame, and you'll see the image placed right into the starting frame. You can also add an end frame if you want, but I usually leave that blank and let Higgsfield do its thing. I really like the results it comes up with. Now I'll hit Generate again and let it create 2 video variations. All right, here are both videos side by side. I like the subtle motion in this one, so I'll download it. Now that we have our first clip, we're going to keep that image as the starting frame and delete the original prompt, but keep the image. Then I'll paste in a new prompt to continue the animation. Eyes gently opening, subtle head tilt, light particles responding to rhythm, slow flowing motion, controlled energy. I'll set this one to 10 seconds, generate just 1 clip this time, and let it render. That looks great, very smooth and natural. I'm happy with it, so I'll download that clip as well. For the next continuation, I'll paste in another prompt. Reality distortion, motion blur echoes, light fractals forming around her body, temporal ripples, energy bending space. Keep the subject centered and intact. Again, I'll set it to 10 seconds and generate. Perfect. I'll download that one too. Now for the next clip, I'll use this prompt. Floating movement, slow, elegant motion, arms gently raised, light flowing through her body, harmonic energy, ethereal beauty, no harsh motion. and that looks beautiful and very relaxing. Downloading that as well. For the final clip, I want the scene to return to stillness. Eyes closing, energy dimming, particles dispersing, returning to stillness. Same framing as the opening, soft fade atmosphere. Generate. And that's exactly what I wanted. I'll download this one too. Now we're going to put everything together using CapCut. Open CapCut, click Import, go to Media, and import all your video clips, along with the song you want to use. Once everything is imported, start organizing your clips in the order you want them to play. I'll drag my first clip down to the timeline. Here's a quick trick I want to show you. If you place two generated clips back to back, you might notice a slight visual stumble or glitch at the transition. I'm not a fan of that. To fix this, we're going to create a seamless loop. Take your first clip, copy it, either with Ctrl+C or right-click and select Copy. Then paste it right after the original. Select the second clip and click Reverse. Now when you play it back, the transition is perfectly smooth, with no visual jump. You'll repeat this process for each clip. Copy, paste, reverse, placing it right after the original. Do this for all clips except your final ending clip, which we'll leave as is. Now when we play everything back, we have a seamless loop that runs about 1 minute and 20 seconds, with no glitches at all. Next, add your song to the timeline. I like to zoom out and in on the timeline a bit so I can see everything more clearly. Then, highlight all your video clips, right-click, and select Create Compound Clip. This turns everything into one continuous video. Now you can simply copy and paste this compound clip multiple times to extend the video length. Since my song is 4 minutes and 31 seconds long, and my final clip is 10 seconds, I'll make sure the compound clips end around 4 minutes and 19 seconds, then place my final ending clip at the very end. Once everything lines up, scrub through the ending to make sure it flows smoothly. When you're happy with it, click Export. If you have CapCut Pro, you can export in HD or higher, but standard export works just fine. And that's it. Your AI-generated cinematic video is complete. I'll leave a link to Higgsfield AI in the description below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe so I can bring you more tutorials on AI tools just like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.
You were in the corner, hair in your face, then a little whisper cut through the space. Heart on the floor of the club, I was drowning. Cheap smoke, cheap talk, everything cloudy. Then a little rhythm wrote your name on my chest, like a coded message hiding under my breath. Every kick hit, felt a hand on my shoulder. Every low rumble said, come a little closer. I was looking around, but the sound looked back, like a mirror made of drums in the black. I heard her calling through the